Hi, my name's Ciara from Ciara's Home Yoga. This is a 10-minute yoga flow sequence. As we've only 10 minutes, we'll get started straight away today. And we'll start standing at the front of our mat with our feet hip distance apart, shoulders back and down with our tailbone tucked, in Tadasana, drawing our skull back, lengthening in our spine. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, arms down, fold forward. Inhale to flat back, shoulders back and down. Exhale, we lower our hands to our mat and step back with our feet to plank. And lower down onto our bellies. Shoulders back and down, hands under our shoulders. We'll inhale up to cobra. Shoulders down. Exhale, we lower back down. And again. We'll repeat this a few times, moving with our breath. We'll push ourselves back up to tabletop now. Tuck our toes and make our way to down dog. In our down dog, we're drawing our tailbone to the ceiling and our chest to our thighs. We can walk our legs out here if that feels good. Breathing deeply. We'll inhale and step forward between our hands with both feet to flat back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, raise up, come up to standing, arms up. Exhale, lower our hands back down. And again, inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, arms down, fold forward. Inhale to flat back, shoulders back and down. Exhale, we lower our hands to our mat and step back with our right foot into our lunge. We'll stay in our lunge for a breath or two. Our back heel is over our toes and we're pushing into our leg so it's really hard and activated. Come up onto our fingertips here and we're lowering our hips as much as feels good to our mat, making sure that our shoulders remain down away from our ears throughout. Breathing deeply. We'll pop our back foot up now so that it's pointing out to the side of our mat, and we'll make our way to warrior one. Our hips are squared to the front of our mat here and our tailbone is tucked. Inhale, we'll open to the left side of our mat. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, we'll open to warrior two. Exhale, we'll check our alignment, making sure that our shoulders are over our hips. Inhale, lean back. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, back up to center. Exhale, checking our alignment again. Our knee is over our ankle. Inhale, we'll straighten our arm and our front leg. Exhale, back to warrior two. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, I love and accept myself exactly as I am. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, I love and accept myself exactly as I am. We'll swivel our hands to our mat, step back with our left foot, lower our knees to our mat, lower our chin in our chest, and come forward into cobra. Exhale, we'll tuck our toes and make our way back to our down dog again. This time in our down dog, while we're still drawing our chest to our thighs and our tailbone to the ceiling, we're going to shift our weight from our right foot to from our right hand and our right foot over to our left hand and our left foot. And again, shifting our weight over from side to side. On our next inhale, we'll step forward to the front of our mat to flat back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, arms up, rise up, come up. Exhale, hands to heart. And again, other side. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale to flat back, shoulders back and down. Exhale, we lower our hands to our mat and step back with our left foot to come into our lunge. We'll stay in a lunge for a few deep breaths. Coming up onto our fingertips, our shoulders remain down, away from our ears, and we're drawing our skull back so that our spine is nice and long. Lowering our hips to our mat as much as feels good. We'll pop up on our back leg so that our toes are pointed out to the side of our mat and raise up to come into warrior one. Inhale, we'll open to the right side of our mat. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, we'll open to warrior two. Exhale, we'll check our alignment. Shoulders over our hips, knee over our ankle. Inhale, lean back. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, back to warrior two. Exhale, check our alignment again, making sure that our pelvis is tucked. Inhale, we'll straighten our front leg. Look up, raise our arms up. Exhale, back to Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale, straighten, look up. Exhale, I love and accept myself exactly as I am. And again, inhale, up. Exhale, I love and accept myself exactly as I am. We'll lower our hands to our mat and we'll step back to our plank. Before lowering our knees to our mat, we'll cross our feet behind us and we'll make our way to lying down on our mat. I like to bend my knees, hold on to my hands and lower down as slowly as I can, one vertebrae at a time, squeezing my navel to my spine as we do this. We'll bring our feet behind our bum, close enough so that we can skim the backs of our heels with our fingertips. And we'll move with our breath again here. Inhale, we'll come up to our bridge, raising our hips up. Exhale, lower back down, one vertebrae at a time. And again. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, lower back down. Last one. And release. We'll raise our feet to the ceiling now and we'll draw some circles with our ankles, moving one direction first and change direction. And release. We lower our feet back to our mat, roll to one side and push yourselves back up to sitting. I'm going to turn so you can see me in profile. Sitting cross-legged, we'll make sure that our ribs are tucked in, so we're not going to stick our ribs out here. Shoulders back and down. We'd clasp our hands behind our back and draw our arms away from our body, drawing our skull back very slightly. Breathing deeply here. And release. I hope you enjoyed today's 10-minute yoga flow sequence and you'll join me again. Please consider subscribing to my channel at Ciara's Home Yoga for more yoga videos like this. Have a great rest of your day and thank you for practicing with me. Take care and bye.